Two-strokes aren't just alive, they're thriving, and the 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves exactly why riders keep coming back to that unmistakable power band. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're breaking down Yamaha's legendary 125cc motocross machine and exploring what makes this year's model stand out from the pack. Design. Yamaha has kept the iconic blue styling, but introduced sharper bodywork that flows seamlessly from front to rear. The bilateral beam frame remains lightweight yet incredibly rigid, providing excellent stability during aggressive cornering. At just over 200 pounds wet, this bike feels nimble the moment you swing a leg over. The slim midsection allows easy rider movement, which is essential when pushing hard on the track. Performance. Performance is where Yamaha YZ125 has always excelled, and 2026 is no exception. The liquid-cooled two-stroke engine screams with that classic ring-ding sound while delivering explosive top-end power. The updated power valve system improves mid-range delivery, making the power band more accessible without sacrificing peak performance. The close-ratio 5-speed gearbox keeps you in the sweet spot through every section. Suspension-wise, the KYB components offer plush action over chop while remaining firm enough for big jumps. Features and technology. Yamaha has also refined key details. Improved reed valve design boosts throttle response. The updated clutch offers better modulation under heavy use. Revised ergonomics enhance comfort during longer motos. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 continues to prove that displacement isn't everything. It's pure, raw, and endlessly fun. If this review helped you out, leave a comment with your thoughts below. Smash that like button, share this with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Catch you next time.